Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we have studied about Prime Minister of our country, India, about his power, how he was elected, and also about the other ministers, group of ministers, cabinet ministers. Today, we are going to discuss about President of India. While the Prime Minister is the head of the government, then President is the head of the state. He do not work, he only obey the decisions taken by the Prime Minister. He is a nominal executive. The decision taken by the Parliament under the Prime Minister is signed by the President. Any decision, that decision may be for foreign country, for defense, or for any money bill, every decision which is argued in Parliament and the Parliament want to pass the bill, the nominal executive President of our country India, he sign on that. He may say that please look, any problem is there, he can advise the Parliament, he can advise the Prime Minister, but he cannot change any bill or any opinion of the Parliament. Here about President, while the Prime Minister is the head of the government, the President is the head of the state. In our political system, the head of the state exercises only nominal powers. The President of India is like the Queen of Britain, whose functions are to large extent ceremonial. Means here the power of President is that only he can select the Prime Minister of the majority party, the party who gain the majority in the election, and leader, the main leader of that party can be selected by the President as a Prime Minister. Every decision is taken by the cabinet ministers, the group of ministers who are important, and that decision is taken by only Prime Minister. Our President is a nominal executive. He signs on every bill. He is the head of three army, the air, water, means navy, and also the army which fight on the front of our country. He is the head of our army, but he exercises only on the advice of the Prime Minister. As you know that he is elected by Lok Sabha, member of the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and he appoint the judge of Supreme Court also. In this way, many functions are there which he do under the government which rule the country. in our country we follow the rule of parliament, where the parliamentary rule is there, and in our country there was a British rule, and they rule on us according to their own system. That is why we also follow that rule which were taken from the Britain government. In every country, president is not nominal executive. Like in USA, president is the head of the government also and head of the state also. He takes every decision and he elect his minister also, and that one is known as a presidential government system. And in our country, parliamentary government system is there.